are you getting a great discount on your wind mitigation insurance right now?
April Fools, because on April 1st, all the rules are changing.
Oh my gosh, you better tune into this episode and find out what you need to do in order to keep that discount.
Really, Mary?
Welcome back to Really Mary. You know, I don't know if you know this, but we're sitting here at March 20th, and oh my goodness, wind mitigation is changing.
Yeah. April 1st, the rules all change. Just when we had it figured out.
April Fool's Day. Whoa, Joe. So that's so strange. So tell me more about this.
So underwriters are really cracking down on what homeowners are getting credits on. So for example, garage doors that have windows in them, 9 times out of 10, those windows are not impact rated, and now they're going to get kickback. Let's say someone has spray foam insulation. Now, this change actually is going to help homeowners. If you have spray foam insulation, they are going to be able to make some certain assumptions and be able to give credits where normally they wouldn't be able to give credits in the past. So there's some stuff that's good, but again, the stuff that is going to change could really, really affect how they look at things. They're also including now flat roofs in the total surface area of a roof to determine if it's hip or not. So if you have a non-hip roof, you're not going to get the credit on the hip roof.
So like the flat roof, like some of the lanai roofs are flat. So the percentage of that as it relates to the total roof.
Yeah. And there's no way around it because underwriters, this is what they're doing. And I think that the insurance companies and really these underwriters, they're just saying, hey, we're tired of doling out all these credits. We need to get some more money. It's been a couple of years since we've had some hurricanes or whatever it is. But yeah, it's really changing. So if you have not had a wind mitigation done in the last 5 years, now is the time in the next 2 weeks to get it done to get those credits in.
So you're going to be really busy in the next 2 weeks. We're in high season, right?
We're in high season.
And
no
people
big
are going to
deal.
be right. So I'm personally taking away some notes because my house has those fake windows. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure my garage door is not going to be. And I just put in new impact windows and a new roof.
So let's talk about that because that's a great example though. Because let's say that a house does have impact glass and doors everywhere, but the garage door is not. In the insurance company's eyes, it has to be marked as an X for no protection, which means you get zero credit. So it's all or nothing, right? So as it stands right now, let's say you had 15 windows in a home, 14 of them were all impact rated, and you got that little tiny one in the bathroom that's not, the whole thing gets marked as an X.
So I'm not sure if I should out myself or not, but what about those little transom windows at the top? They didn't replace those in my house. Now I have plastic that goes on top of that. That was the protection. Yeah. Am I going to then be...
As long as there's a shutter or something that we can prove that says, no, these are protected, then you're good to go.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to be getting a garage door estimate. So if you sell garage doors, you can find me, Mary Bartos. But this is crazy. Again, April Fool's Day, woohoo! Yeah. Wind mitigation, get it. I think I should get my garage door first and then call you out, right?
Yeah.
Because it's going to take the insurance agent a little bit of time for the insurance company to come out and actually audit me.
Correct. They're also talking about even the clips and the straps that are used in the attic over the top of the wood trusses. There's some changes there of what they're allowing versus what they're not allowing. It's really confusing. Matter of fact, they're having classes for home inspectors all over the state just to roll this program out. But a lot of insurance agents are trying to get their arms around it. We're trying to get our arms around it. And so our job for homeowners as well as for agents is how can we help and be of service and educate them on what's going on. And here's what's going on.
I feel like this is Flood 2.0 all over again. Yes. So when nobody knew what anything. Anyway, I'm Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group and
Joe Nugent with Joe the Home Pro.
We look forward to seeing you on the next episode of Really Mary. But until then, check your house. Make sure you get that wind mitigation.